I don't understand that. Why does it do that? Half the time it's just broken. All of it. Alright, anyway. So I have a few things here that it's insanity. I don't understand why the stream software does this. It just freaking breaks for some reason. It's kind of odd. So we needed... What is the whole size? The whole is... Let's just do 3. So this needs to be 18. In the other direction, I'll make this 3. So make that 3 inches. Make the other one 18. And then this one, we need holes here. So on the 2. Why is it so hard to see am I at the wrong angle to see the lines? Maybe. Can I pick my screen up and tilt it more? Because the lines just don't show up for me. Like this screen has a weird way of... There we go. That's weird. I don't think you're supposed to have to tilt the screen back. 2.1. And then I need to make 5 of these. Copy. What is it? It's like pattern or... rectangular pattern. This one. And then... select direction. This direction. Quantity, 5. Distance. What was the distance we said earlier? No, that's not even in the image, so you can't even see what I'm doing there. 1 second. Yo, it cuts it off. It doesn't show you what I'm actually doing. That's weird. Why can't you see? You can't see the sketch palette thing I got going on or the rectangular pattern. Huh. Why does that not show up? Is that not part of the window? Is it not? Hmm. So it's like only... It's only the win. There, now it shows. Why does that show? Chat with video. That's so freaking weird, guy. I'm guessing this. I have it blacked out right now, but I'm guessing that's actually... Anyway, back on it. Select direction, extend, quantity, 5. What am I missing? Select the direction. Distance. Really? Wow. Too much. again, wrong way. So I need to do rectangular pattern, this object, extend, select direction, this direction, quantity, 5, this one, 1. It's not what we want though. Try it again. Rectangular pattern, this object, this direction, spacing, 5 of 1. Why won't it let me do it though? Enter. How did I get it to do it last time? Is there something I didn't select? Because everything looks selected, right? Enter. Oh my god, that's a pain in the butt. Anyway, we'll just do it manually, because I don't know what it's doing. That's freaking weird. I just want to copy it, right? So Control-C, Control-V. Jerk. Go back. Control-V. Okay. This is so frustrating. What's the distance here to here? 1 inch? 90. Hmm. 3.1. Did I calculate centers? 3.5 is what I said. So 3.5, and then select that one. Control V in this direction. 3.5. Just keep doing that. We'll see. Control V. Yeah, whatever. It's so stretched. Like, why is the image so stretched? Anyway. I don't understand the other one. Do it this way. No, it doesn't necessarily have to be. From here to here. No, I don't want center of the circle. I want the edge. That's 45. Click this edge to this edge. 145 is 190. Stupid. Alright. So I want to move these 1/2 inch. Can I grab them, please? I just did. What is it doing? The software's broken. I'm going to select office stuff. And I just want the circles, please. Just the circles. Yeah, deselect this. Control C. We just want to move it that way. That much. Guess it's triangles. How do I draw a frickin' triangle? Isn't, oh, that's mirror. It's not a triangle. Oops. Just do it with lines. Do I want to undersize? So the plate can go against the back. How far is that? 3 inches? I hate that. I hate that it's like, why is it going such a random number and not trying to zero out? Clearly, I'm going to go for 3 inches. I'm not going to go for 3 inches and 2. Thank you. I don't know why it was trying to figure that out. It's not even centered. That's not what I wanted. Undo it. Come on. Undo it. Why is it not going back? Thank you. Let's go here. Thanks. Cut this off. Cut that off, cut that off. Don't want these. Radius. This one. This. Heck no, that's way too much. Okay. 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 This one. Can you not shrink it? Like, how do you resize shrink it? I thought that said stretch. Come on back. We're not doing that. Not doing that. Alright. So, we need 2 of these. Oh. I always forget to turn on the YouTube chat. Sorry. Now it's on. Control-C, Control-V. I copied. Why didn't it do it? Control-C. How big is that? Enter. Just keep it there. That's funny. It's going to be a little hot in between these two, though. I probably should move it up a touch. Because... Oh no, that is 3/16 material to be fine. Alright. So that is the piece that will hold. Now we need to copy this. Can I use that? I can't use that backboard for anything. Now the question is, do I want it, like, do I want to mount it, if I'm looking at the side of it, do I want to mount it like this? Or do I want to mount it like this? It's harder to get this in. It's easier to get the screws in if it's mounted the first way than it is this way. Not really. But because of the leverage, right? So, cancel. Get it out of there. Thank you. So, clearance of the drill, because this sticks out, right? You come in here. Here, you mount the screw. Okay. The pull force is pulling down this way, right? But here, I'd have to mount it up here because it's still pulling down, right? And it's too close. So this way is better to mount it. Okay, I don't need this. I need this, and I need my music to quit turning off, please. That one, this one, this one, this one. Move it out. Is that a ½ inch? Are those ½ inch spaces? Who knows? Yeah, they're ½ inch spacing. Why is the spacing marks? Why is the marking not lined up with like the predominant line? Why does it do that? Right? What the freaking heck is that? This program's still got so many bugs in it. All these programs are just buggy. Enter. Keeps it there. I don't need this. I don't want to see these. I know how big it is. Delete. I don't want to see it. Can Can I please just grab it? Why can I not grab it now? Okay. Hand it back out. This one's freaking broken, dude. It took multiple hits. Why did it take multiple hits to deselect it? Delete. Was there like copies on top of copies there? Is there? Move. Yeah, that's why. Delete. Enter. This one here. How many's there? How many's in there? Enter. Delete. Just this is the last one, right? We'll just delete it. No, it wasn't. Okay. Undo. Now it's just singles. So the question is, am I going to have the same rods in there all the time? Nah, I don't feel like it. Like I could go in here and I could put a trim piece on the face of it and say that this is 316 now, this is 304, this is carbon, this is aluminum, and whatever, but the tags are on the thing, so it does no good. It's a waste of time. Next one. So that will hold the wire. Do we finish that sketch? We're going to add to this. The next one I need is a little thing that goes on the back of, it's going to be like a shelf that hangs off of the back. I probably should have measured the width of that. I think it was 1/2 inch. And that's supposed to be, oh, it's roughly 3 inches too. So, why is the lines off? I started on the line, but then, see the predominant lines are, what the, I don't get that. Now it's centered, no it's not. 3, 2 3/4 is 4 1/2, which is 9. If we leave extra, we can combine those two shelves, one for the blocks and the sprays, into one unit, and just add another one. So just make it 12. If I make it 12, it gives me space for the tool at the end. Let's do that. This way. Tab 12. Enter. So this will hold the cans, and then I'll put the jaws at the end. And then I want to do something here where, how tall do I want the walls? Those blocks were like 2 inches. So let's start with this. I hope these are far enough away from each other. 1 inch. That's plenty. Okay, but I want to change it because on the end I'm going to have a place for the tool to sit, and I don't want that to sit there. I want it to drop in a hole, or do I want to just hang it off the end? think we'll just hang it off the end to be easier. I can't see the other dimension, so why hasn't the other dimension followed me down here where I am, right? So I have to zoom out, all weird like. I don't get that. And it's not going to favor, so then you got to cycle back and forth. Dude, this is so frustrating. Why did I have to pay for this? That's what I want to know. Why did I have to pay for this software if it's just so damning that it doesn't function? Just go to 1. Why do I have to type it? Why wouldn't it just auto round? Like even it out. That's 2 sides, so we need the faces. They're gonna go here. Don't mess, just go to 1. I've never had a CAD program do that. Like, they almost always go to frickin' 0, and this one doesn't. Frickin' waste time. It costs me money, and it takes longer to draw things. I'm not renewing my subscription, I'm sorry, but I'm kinda underimpressed, honestly, with the way this works. The fluidity of it is not there. It's just a few little tiny things. Like, yeah, it's got all these other bells and whistles and stuff, but come on, just that one thing's annoying as heck. At least incremental. Like, I have the sensitivity here to be incremental, but it's not there, right? Like, I can crank this mouse up to crazy sensitivity where I could literally sit there and drag a couple thousandths of an inch, but for some reason this program won't allow me to do that. We should probably just put a hole in here now. I'm going to go grab that tool so that way I can measure it. Where did you go? Where did you go? Alright, so this is so dim. Full screen? Maybe, possibly. That's not it. So, now my thought process is kind of like, if I'm at that tray, I want to have it drop down through the tray. Oh wait, the shelf's in the way. So if the shelf's in the way, should I just put a hole and then a tube? That would work. We can just weld a tube in there and it can chill. But it needs to be a through hole so it doesn't collect debris. It's only going to be that big. 5/20s. So this tray. Thank you. It just shrunk. Oh no. That was kind of weird. But it's easier just to move that, I think. But for some reason, I can't get off of Streamlabs now. It's like, it's still selected. That's freaking weird, dude. Software difficulties. It's definitely. Thanks. Half inch. How big is this? 3/4. It's 3/8. So why can I not get a distance? Can I get a distance? Can I go here? Drag in the dimension, but no, you gotta do this stupid D thing. You gotta hit D, dimension from here. It's not actually what it's doing. What? Oh, it's so frustrating. Yeah. Okay, I didn't want that dimension. I wanted to draw a line a specific distance from here up. Jerk. Can we just do this? Fine. I'll do it like real weird. Enter. 5.5. Cut this out. That way the tool can drop through there. I don't need this. Did that even show up? No, it doesn't. So now I'm back on the thing again, right? Where it doesn't show the extra things that are actually on the screen right now. And last time I tried to change that, like, it did weird stuff. Whatever. Okay. Finish. I need another tab. So we have to go back into our sketch, edit, sketch. Make another one of these, which is the side wall. And then I still need the piece that's actually going to be, we need to extend that. So we need one more of these. Stick it somewhere. It's good. Finish. Enter. And then this one needs to change We're gonna add some rectangles, 1/2 inch. Why couldn't that go to 3? Is it just not allowed to? You gotta be like zoomed in at a certain That is freaking uber frustrating. I could draw so much faster if it would just freaking snap to even numbers. Yeah, waste of time. Sorry. It's your own fault. I hate that too. Why didn't it break that off? So we were gonna have to trim it, so we have to go back in and draw a line instead of it just breaking it there. Right? Let's go back. Did I not spend enough time there? Do I have to screw around longer to get it to do that? Will it actually break the line off if I mess with it? No, it doesn't allow you to do that. Why can't I cut? Okay, there. I have to mess with it longer. Cut. There we go. Is that enough? Probably should put. It's like 1 foot long. It's at least one in the middle, because if not, now I gotta snap a different triangle, rectangle. Pain in the butt. I only need this for. I only need it for that. I don't want that there. Touch off of this. Now I have to redraw the. See, can you not snap to that? There we go. Trim again. Those are tabs that I can bend over the shelf. That way I don't have to go out there and measure that crap. But why does this look way wider than this one? Did I not draw that at 1/2 inch? That's 1/2. I swear I drew this one at 1/2. Maybe not. Definitely not. Oh, it's so close. Why? Do you don't like all zeros for some reason. So, you permanently have to have one hand at the keyboard and one on your mouse. This ensures that you can't be doing anything else. You can't be on your cell phone. You can't be doing anything else but working. Maybe that's part of it. Maybe that's why it's designed this way. Because it ensures that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Could be. How big is this? Tab. Cut that. It's a good possibility. I don't know, this doesn't look like it's big enough. To here. Because for some reason. Yeah. Tab 0.5. No, no, I won't have a clearance issue with that. Yes, I will. Not unless the tube's long enough. Is that everything? I think. We can move these over to save space. Select. Move. I still don't like it. It doesn't show this stuff, but whatever. Let's pull this over here. So, I don't think that there's enough gussets on that. It's a lot of weight. Let's go ahead and put more. Why not? Rotate it. That way we sit inside there. Enter. How many do we need to go in between those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Takes forever. Why does it take forever to do that? Doesn't seem like it was a lot to move. Why can't I recall what I just drew? like, I gotta copy it again. Let's put you down here. See, it's gotta cut those out first. Enter. No, it doesn't really matter which one I grab, right? There. But definitely need to like get rid of that. Enter. I would have to cut those out first. Is that everything? That's a lot of pieces for what I just came up with, but it is. I think that's it. I think. Is that all I needed? Just, I mean, we consolidated this one, and this was two things into one, and then this is its separate thing. Now the only issue is I don't have material that actually this will fit on. Drawn that way. Darn it. So, what do I have that's that thickness? I don't know. That sucks. I really don't think I have material that's like this wide. I know I have it in a strip. It's about here. Because I think it's only like 4 inches. I'm not freaking laying that out for the whole strip. So if I made that with those gussets out of, because it's going to have that additional reinforcement, is it okay then? Yeah, I think so. It would be better if I take these and like on the underside make like a ring, so almost like a spacer, right? That protrudes like this, and it'll kind of be like that. That would give it more rigidity, and it's only got to be a little bit. They don't have to be that big. Like it can be 1/2 inch. That would firm that up and allow me to make this out of thinner material. It also gives me a hole that has less chance of gouging my plastic tubes when I lift them in and out, I think. Enter. Oh, okay, that's weird. So what? I've never really assembled one of these entirely, like in the program, right? Can we make a new sketch? Finish sketch. What happens if I take this? Can I select this? Oh wait, I don't want to. Maybe it extrude. I'm curious. Oh, I had that already selected. So I have to unselect it, and then I just want to extrude all of these. These are, this one here, this piece, and all these gussets are a rack to hold the filler material for when I weld. The other one is a piece to hold like 3 jaws, and this is the tool on the jaw, and then a couple spray cans that'll go on the lathe. That way it just keeps me from having to walk around as much. I'm trying to extrude. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I moved it. I didn't want to move it. Go back. I think it's okay. Select, extrude, and it should be 0.06. Oh, it didn't show me the holes. What the heck? Why? Why did it not cut the holes? That's weird. Okay, try again. Maybe don't. No, we're going to have to do it this way. Hold shift and deselect this. Then it would do it, right? Then we extrude 0.06. Enter. That's what it'll cut out, is that, which is basically that. I think that'll work. It's going to have these gussets are going to go in between. I don't know that it's going to flex. I guess I won't know until I put it in. I have a feeling it will. Like right here, it's going to want to buckle, at least out here. That's why I'm considering putting like a ring around here that extends. Okay. Now I gotta go see if I have material. I think I have one piece I can use for this and cut it out. But I don't know if it'll let me transfer the camera. Maybe with the camera off it'll let me transfer the camera. It's a weird thing. When I move this camera around, like unplug it, it bricks the whole software. Guess we should make this into a program. So we click manufacture this one. We want to tell it that this is here. Stock point. Move stock. Select the machine. This one. Here. That's my 0. What else? Should be good. Hit OK. No model selected. All models. Whatever. I don't care. I'll do it myself. This one. Select. And this we're going to cut out as like 16th, I think. Okie doke. So this one, which one do I have set up for? I think it's this. Select. And we gotta select these profiles. This should be fun, being it's in 3D, right? Trying to select only the tops. Oh wait, this, I have to undo all that. Because this has to cut in a certain order. Because if I cut this piece out, before I cut these out, this whole piece is going to make these lift, which is going to put it at an angle. So these have to be cut out first before this one's cut out. I can probably go ahead and cut this out. It's going to move though. I should cut these little ones first. So inside, outside, inside, outside. Outside. This one. Then this one. Then we'll kind of bounce around. See if it preserves the order. I don't think unless I select that it will. Here, here. Oh, I didn't want to do that one. Undo. Cancel. Oh, no. Oh, man. I gotta do it all over. You jerk. This one and this one. Here. Here. I don't know if it did pick the right one. Okay, good. This. Again. Here. Here. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. This one. And then we just hit OK. See if it likes it. It says OK. Now we can kind of simulate it and see if it cuts it the way I want. Simulate. Didn't preserve order, so that's not a good thing. Come on, hurry up. Then it goes to this one. And then it goes over here. It looks like it's gonna do those first. I swear it's gonna crash it. Maybe it won't. I just feel like it will. Faster. So it's gonna go to that one. Does that one before it does the other one. It's not really what I wanted to do. Exit. Edit. Preserve order. Where is that? Preserve order. Okay. So here, does this one, this one. It goes here, does these. Wait, connect the lines. It's over, cuts, done, come out. Now it just decided when to cut that last, right? Simulation. Go. Fast forward. Does that. Little ones. Big one. This one. Little triangles. And then the end piece. Okay, that's better. Exit. Where are the lead-ins? None of them are in a part. Nope. Okay. They're all outside of where they need to be. I don't think the lead-in needs to be that big. Edit. Because it may blow out like certain spots. I don't know why that is so large. One. That's better. Save. Now we need to export it. Make it into code. This is post. Okay. So when it pops up other windows, it just doesn't show those windows. So that's got to be what it is. Like, I have it selected on a certain thing. It's not doing it. Alright, that was easy. Now we gotta go load a sheet and cut it out. Weld it together. I want to see if, with the camera off, if I can move it or not. Or if it just bricks it. if it works. How do we... it definitely bricked that. Properties. Hold on, I don't think it knows that it's plugged in. Nope. It won't do it. It will not allow me to add a camera midstream like it used to. Well, that sucks. Why? There's no way to refresh it. Auto detect enable. Oh my gosh. Well, that's damning, right? Definitely can't, This is a freaking crap, dude. Used to be able to do it, now you can't. I don't understand that. I've done it in the past. And now, I can't do it. Why? Oh, Jesus. Why can I not? What happens if I add a source now? Add source. No. It's so stupid. Dude. Part 2, Part 3.